Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset what content you see on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see Content Preferences, so you want to click on that. And then it should say at the bottom, Reset Suggested Content. So you want to click on that. And this will just let you know some information about that. You'll see suggestions about topics that may be different from what you usually see. Resets can't be undone, but your suggestions will become more personalised again as you like, share and interact. So obviously you can read through more of that if you want to do that. Then select Next. Then it will give you the option to review who you follow and your add topics. And then just select Reset Suggested Content. And then it'll just let you know this can't be undone. You can change who you follow and your add topics at any time. So obviously just select Reset Suggested Content. And that will do that for you. Thanks for watching.